Do you want the effect like this? I know you want it, and it's pretty simple. We are gonna be doing it in Adobe Premiere Pro, so tension free. We are not gonna be using Adobe After Effects. Okay, so right here we have imported a clip in Adobe After Effects, and we are gonna be applying the cardone effect to this clip. So for that we have to just make a copy of our clip, and for that you have to press Alt on your keyboard and drag and drop it like at the top of your clip. Right here you can see, okay, and this is the clip. It's normal, nothing happened, but we are gonna be doing it now. So we are gonna be applying an effect named find edges on this. Find edges, right here you can see, drag and drop to your like the clip which is on the top. You have to drag and drop it there, and here you can see it is like a sketch effect, but we also want a color in it. So for that we have to just change the blend mode to luminosity. Right here you can see this is like have filled some color in it, and but it's not like so much color. We have to increase the saturation of it. So first of all, the option here's the option you can see, blend with original. We have to click on it, and I'm going to be changing it to 10, but you can do it whatever you want, like of your choice, and you can see it's now like more better from it. Right here you can see I know I'm weird, like that's a weird dance, I know. And now we are going to be applying a effect called posterized time. Okay, let's just search, and this is the effect we are going to be applying, the posterized time. Let's drag and drop it to here, and now we are going to be changing the frame rate to 10 or 12. I'm going to be changing to 10. Okay, press enter, and now its frame per second are so lower, that's why it is giving us a cartoonish effect. And now we are going to be applying a effect named luminosity color. Right here you can see, let's drag and drop it here, and in the luminosity color section you have to go to basic correction. Make sure your contrast is minus 150. okay, and now you can see it's like a cartoon effect, and like you can play around with it however you like, but I think it's the best one. Like minus 66 is the best one for me, but you can like apply, like you can play around with this. And we are gonna be like increasing the saturation of this, like it will make your line thicker, so it will give a more cartoon effect. Like if we like decrease the saturation, you can see the difference. Okay, and now when we will play it, it's a cartoon effect. Congratulations, you have passed the test, and now you can make your own cartoon effect using only Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and if it helped you, so comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will surely meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.